In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add create account on Shopify. By the end, you'll have customer accounts enabled so shoppers can log in, view their orders, and check out faster. You'll just need access to your Shopify admin and permission to change store settings. First, go to your Shopify admin, open your browser and sign into your store's dashboard. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the home overview with recent activity and the left-hand navigation. If you manage multiple stores, double check you're in the correct one before you continue. It's a small detail, but it saves you from wondering why changes don't appear later. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the admin sidebar and click settings. It's the gear icon. If your browser window is narrow and you don't see it immediately, scroll down the sidebar or widen your window. Settings is where Shopify keeps all your store's global preferences, so any changes here affect the whole store. Inside settings, find and select customer accounts. This section controls whether customers can create and use an account on your storefront. Customer accounts are helpful for building loyalty and simplifying repeat purchases because shoppers can store details, see their order history, and manage addresses. If you've never adjusted this before, you might see that accounts are currently turned off. Now choose the customer accounts option. You'll see choices that determine how accounts work. Enabling customer accounts means you're allowing shoppers to create and use login credentials on your store. Depending on your setup, you may see options such as making accounts optional, which lets customers check out as guests or sign in, or making accounts required, which forces sign in for checkout. Optional is the most flexible for most stores because it doesn't block first-time buyers. If your theme supports it, customers will typically find the login or account icon in the header or a link in the menu. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. Look for the confirmation banner at the top of the page to make sure everything was updated. If you don't see a confirmation, try saving again or check your internet connection. After saving, expect a short delay before the account links appear on your storefront, depending on your theme. If they don't show up right away, refresh your storefront or clear your browser cache. That's it. You've enabled customer accounts in Shopify, giving your shoppers a smoother, more personalized experience while helping you build long-term relationships. Thanks for watching and happy selling.